Boss. Money. Thank you, boss.
Damn it! Release me!
Boss. What about him?
Defending you.
What do you want?
Huh?
Hey, what are you doing?
Hers?
You're so stupid! I'm very hurt!
Do you know who am I?
What are you doing?
Huh? What? Oh, look at the face. Go, Jake. You go, Jake.
Hey!
What happened?
Hey, that was what?
You kill him.
Do it! Do it!
Boss, SWAT coming.
Training.
it's me. Slow. Slow. Are you okay? Sao vậy? Are you okay? Hey, let's go. Come on.
SEAL X stealthily sneaked into a corner. Taking advantage of the thief's inattention, SEAL X swiftly subdued him, leaving him gasping in silence. Lee went downstairs. SEAL X quietly entered the house and moved upstairs. SEAL X observed Lee and then communicated with Rose downstairs. SEAL X instructed Rose to move inside.
This gun is...
Lee was instructing his subordinate about the gun.
Yes, sir.
Rose went upstairs and met SEAL X.
Say,
SEAL X told Rose to continue upstairs while they stayed downstairs to handle things. Rose quietly went upstairs, heading towards Lee's room. Rose quickly took out her computer to hack into the system.
Hi, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Lee handed the gun to his subordinate and left.
Here.
Yes, sir.
SEAL X saw this and immediately grabbed the gun, firing towards him. Rose heard the gunshot and quickly accelerated her work. The thief also hurriedly left. SEAL X shot and killed one of the thieves.
Lee ordered the other thief to shoot several times towards SEAL X.
SEAL X took another gun and fired towards the thief before quickly heading upstairs. The thief downstairs heard and hastily ran upstairs.
Rose,
SEAL X anxiously asked Rose about the data.
hurry up.
Lee ordered the thief to chase after them, and he quickly grabbed a gun and left.
The suitcase opened. The panicked thieves rushed upstairs.
Sir, Tracy. Yes, sir.
SEAL X saw the thieves and immediately fired multiple shots. Rose retrieved the data. Outside, the two sides were still fiercely battling.
Fire!
SEAL X quickly told Rose to gather all the belongings. SEAL X threw a gas bomb and then threw it down to where the two thieves were.
Rose,
The SWAT team hastily retreated.
hi, Rose.
SEAL X took out a rope from the backpack and tied it to the pole.
Rose, okay, you go first.
Rose carefully descended.
As the gas dissipated, Dorley ordered the two thieves to chase after the SWAT team.
He followed behind. Rose safely landed and told SEAL X to come down as well. The thief downstairs woke up and saw Rose, so he immediately shot towards her.
Say, come here.
Hurry up!
They exchanged gunfire. The two thieves went upstairs. SEAL X observed the SWAT out to shoot towards the thief, causing both of them to die in turn. Rose downstairs also shot and killed one thief. SEAL X quickly grabbed the rope and descended. Dorley went upstairs, slowly searching for the SWAT team.
Huh, say, come here.
SEAL X ran quickly to Rose.
Okay.
They quickly left. Dorley saw the rope and looked down, only to see the distant figures of the SWAT team running far away.
He was furious. The SWAT team was extremely happy, chatting as they walked.
We got it. Yeah, we did very well. You have assisted me very well in this mission. Very good.
Suddenly, Rose stopped and aimed the gun at SEAL X. When SEAL X turned back, Rose had already fired a shot. She advanced to grab the backpack and took a few steps before stopping. With just a wave of her hand, Rose transformed into a different person and walked away.
The SWAT was looking for his teammates when he accidentally bumped into the assistant who was running away.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Seeing that, the SWAT immediately chased after her to ask about his teammates' whereabouts.
Come down, come down. Can I see that?
He saw the familiar computer the assistant was holding in her hand and immediately held out the phone for her to see the robber. The two talked back and forth.
Huh, someone kill him.
Yes, okay. Can I see that?
The assistant saw the boss change and immediately told him to bend down or the boss would see him. The boss angrily ran everywhere looking for his assistant.
What's up? What happened?
We follow him. Let's go. Hurry.
The assistant led SWAT to the boss's lair to save her friend.
Hey, listen. He killed people you are looking for. I need your help. I don't have time. Quickly. here.
Okay, let me.
Okay. Hey, go up. Hey, this way. Huh? Tony!
They quickly met each other and left there quickly.
Tony!
Tony, we got. Where's the boss? I don't know. Let's go.
The boss returned to his lair and saw two SWAT guys going downstairs. He quickly pulled out his gun and shot continuously at the two SWATs. The assistant also quickly pulled out a gun to kill the bomb.
Hey, you go first! Take it! Hurry!
Go. Okay.
The two sides fought fiercely.
Stop it. You're here. Okay, be careful.
The assistant immediately told the two SWATs to run away, but they didn't want her to take any risks, so they distracted the boss and called her to run away with them.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Hurry up.
Are you okay? Get up! Hurry!
The three of them had not gone far when the boss chased them and fired several shots at them. They hid themselves behind large bushes. The boss did not forgive them, dropping guns continuously at them. On the SWAT side, there was an assistant and a SWAT guy who were both seriously injured. The assistant saw the boss shooting at him, so she immediately stood up to block the gun for him and was shot to death. A SWAT saw this and immediately picked up a gun and shot at the boss. But the injured man didn't have much strength left. He could only shoot a few shots and was immediately defeated by the boss. The remaining SWAT, when he saw that both of them were dead, felt angry and immediately fired several shots at the boss. The boss was shot and seriously injured. Seeing that he was not okay, he ran away. SWAT quickly chased after him. The two sides continued to fight face to face. He SWAT with the strength of training for many years and anger when his teammates died, so he immediately beat the boss. The boss was injured, combined with SWAT's strong blows, so he fell dead. The seriously injured SWAT stood up and continued forward.
Boss Dr. Lee is focused on working on his laptop. After successfully completing his task, the boss grins smugly. Dr. Lee calls over the 2 guards. He discusses an important upcoming job with them.
For training.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give me his gun.
One of the robbers hands Dr. Lee a gun.
Go.
Then all 3 leave. Dr. Lee steps outside and the robber loudly greets him.
Hello, boss.
The boss glances at the SWAT who is being held captive. Dr. Lee orders the robbers to guard the SWAT carefully. The boss and his henchmen leave to attend to other matters. SEAL X injured can only sit there. 2 mysterious figures are waiting for someone.
Solar. Yes, they are coming.
Dr. Lee arrives and enters the place where the mysterious figures are standing.
Hello,
The
guys.
boss and the 2 mysterious figures begin their transaction.
Alright, how's it going? Huh?
Hi, where's the boss
The 2
going?
robbers guarding the SWAT are chatting with each other.
I don't know. Yeah, it's
SEAL
nice.
X, seeing they are distracted, escapes.
You understand? Huh? Yeah.
The 2 robbers are still engrossed in their conversation.
Oh, okay.
Dr. Lee checks the money from the transaction with the 2 mysterious figures. He signals a robber to retrieve the important data. The 2 mysterious figures carefully inspect the data.
Hi, how do you feel? Oh, yeah, good.
The transaction is successful. Dr. Lee and the robbers turn and leave. A robber looks inside and doesn't see the SWAT, so he runs in.
Hi, what's up?
The 2 robbers are shocked when they realize SEAL X is gone. Meanwhile, SEAL X is struggling to climb down to another room despite his injuries. He hides behind a wall, watching as the robbers search for him. SEAL X quietly moves.
How's it going?
The 2 robbers are still diligently searching for the SWAT, but can't find him. SEAL X finds a room full of weapons and examines them. Seeing no one around, he hacks into the boss's laptop. SEAL X successfully presses the laptop's button, takes a gun, and slowly walks out.
Hi, Lucy.
I don't see.
Okay, fight it. Let's go.
SEAL X sees 2 robbers running out, so he hides. The 2 robbers outside split up to search for the SWAT. A robber enters the room, and turning around, is taken down by SEAL X. Dr. Lee and 2 robbers carrying a bag of money happily head back. The robber shooting at him. Dr. Lee returning is startled by the gunfire. He orders the 2 robbers to investigate. SEAL X runs downstairs just as the 2 robbers run down. SEAL X kills one of them.
Right, shoot it!
robbers charge and shoot at SEAL X. He quickly dodges. SEAL X rushes out and shoots back at the criminal.
Fire! Fire!
The boss and the robber return fire. Dr. Lee and the robber split up. SEAL X hides behind a wall, takes out his phone, and calls for backup.
Where are you? Come here now. Help me.
The pursuing robber shoots at him. Dr. Lee goes upstairs and sees that all his henchmen are dead.
Wait, wait, wait!
He remembers the laptop and rushes over to check it. Dr. Lee is furious to find that his laptop has been damaged by the SWAT. He angrily screams out loud. SEAL X is still frantically running away. The robber chases him and continues to shoot. SEAL X The gunfight between the SWAT and the robbers continues to be intense. The pursuing robber fires multiple shots at SEAL X, causing him to collapse on the spot. The robber approaches the fallen SWAT, but he is immediately taken down by SEAL X's teammate. Two SWAT members approach the fallen robber to check.
Let's go. Okay.
They then go to SEAL X help him up and return to the base for medical treatment.